Good morning students. Today we are going to see about the switching characteristics of PN junction diode. First, in switching characteristics diode, we need to know about what is recovery time. It is nothing but the time taken before the diode it recovers its steady state. This time of that time is called recovery time. Well, two types of recovery times are there. First one is forward recovery time and then reverse recovery time. First one, what is forward recovery time? It is the time interval taken by the diode to switch for reverse bias state to forward bias state. This is called forward recovery time. And what is reverse recovery time means? It is the time interval taken by diode to switch from forward bias to reverse bias state. This is called reverse recovery time. These are the two types of recovery time of these are the two types of recovery time. One is forward recovery time and another one is reverse recovery time. Then what is storage time means? It's a time period where the diode remains in conduction state even in the reverse bias state. This is called storage time. Then what is transition time means? It's a relaxing or elapsing time returning back to the state of non-conduction, that is steady state reverse bias. That type is called transition time. Okay, so two types of recovery times. One is forward recovery time and another one is reverse recovery time. So in forward bias, a large number of majority carrier that cross over the minority carrier on other side. At that time, an applied voltage is in reverse bias means the diode is in off condition. So due to the number of minority carriers, the diode that is reversed and at the stage of storage time. At that time, the minority carriers should return to the majority carrier of the side. So after the storage phase, the current will start to reduce the level. So this second period of time is called transition time. So this is the diode switching characteristics of diode. First one is input voltage and second one is current switching characteristics and third graph one is voltage switching characteristics. Okay, here TF is forward bias time and TS is storage time, TT is transition interval, TRR is reverse recovery time. So in reverse recovery time, so it's addition of storage time and transition interval. So where the diode in the forward bias and immediately switched to the reverse condition mean the diode will still conduct current for some time. So at the time period, the diode conduct electricity after switching the voltage. That type of time is called reverse recovery time. So what are the reason for reverse recovery time means? In conduction state, so we have an electrons in p type and holes in n type as minority carrier. So when we reverse the voltage, we need to expect the diode to switch from conducting to non-conducting stage immediately, but due to minority carrier, the reverse current flows through the diode and it in the measurable level for storage time. So that we accord for minority carrier to return to the majority carrier that in the opposite material, that is n type for electron and p type for holes. So after the time period, the transition interval that required the current to get back to the non-conduction stage, but the reverse recover time that depends on junction temperature, that the rate of fall of forward current. So it should be small for high speed switching amplification. It can be reduced by shortening the length of P region in P junction diode by introducing some impurities. What type of impurities? Like gold, okay? For example, gold. In forward bias condition, the current flows through the circuit diode. In reverse bias condition, hence there is no current flow. These are the switching characteristics of PN junction diode.